Hello everyone, my name is Ksasila Derek, a student of MBA at Africa Renewal University. I dedicate this video to my lecturer, Dr. Oltayo, and all managers and aspiring managers out there. In today's video, we are going to look at the key concepts in management. Since creation, man is faced with a big responsibility and task of managing the world around him. In Genesis chapter 1 and verse 28, the Bible says that God blessed them and said, "Be fruitful and multiply, fill the earth and govern it, reign over the fish in the sea, the birds in the air, and the animals that scurry along the ground." In the modern civilization, management became very crucial during the Industrial Revolution, and this took place during the mid-19th century in the Great Britain. Around this time, industries and companies increased in both size and production, which made business owners to increasingly need managers to run their daily operations. As a result of the expanding industry, the practice of management became a major theoretical concern in the study of business. Since then, several management theories have been developed by different people. These include management practitioners, philosophers, and scholars. Let us delve into the depth of the key management concepts. The general management theories include the scientific management theory, which was invented by Frederick Winslow Taylor in 1911. The main principles include developing a science for each task, selecting workers scientifically and training them, ensuring cooperation between management and workers, and division of work and responsibility. Another important theory is the administrative management theory, which was developed by Henry Fayol in 1916. He developed 14 principles of management, which include division of work, authority and responsibility, unity of command, and centralization. Another important theory is the bureaucratic theory, which was invented by Max Weber in the early 20th century. The main principles of this theory include a formal hierarchy, clear rules and procedures, division of labor, impersonal relationships to ensure fairness and avoid favoritism. Another important theory is the behavior theory, which was developed by Elton Mayo between 1927 and 1932 during his photon studies at the Western Electric Company. The main principles of this theory include work productivity increases when workers feel valued and part of the group. Social and psychological factors also influence work performance. The informal groups and leadership play a critical role in the work dynamics. Another important theory are the system theory, contingency theory, theory X, and theory Y theory, which was developed by Douglas MacGregor in 1960. All these theories intend to highlight the key important concepts in management, that is decision making, managing employee diversity, motivation and performance, change and innovation, conflict management and negotiation, and corporate social responsibility. A major key concept in management is decision making. Decision making refers to the process of selecting the best course of action from multiple alternatives to achieve a desired outcome. There are several decision making models, which include rational model. The rational decision making model involves identifying the criteria that will have the best impact on your decision's outcome and then evaluating possible alternatives against those criteria. This model is best employed when you have a number of options to consider and plenty of time to evaluate them. Another model is the bounded rationality decision-making model, and in this model dictates that you should limit your options to a manageable set and then choose the first option that meets your criteria rather than conducting an exhaustive analysis of each one. This model is best employed when there is a lot of time to think and when inaction is more costly than not making the best decision. Another model is the Vroom-Eaton decision-making model. This model presents 7 yes or no questions for a decision maker to answer, followed by 5 decision-making styles for them to choose from. And it is best employed when there is collaborative decision-making and multiple team members are involved in the decision-making process. Then we also have the intuitive decision-making model. This refers to making decisions based on instinct, especially when you are already experienced with the issue at hand. This model should be used in cases where there is not enough information for you to make a more informed decision, and in instances where your own experience is more reliable than the available information. Employee diversity. As a manager, managing employee diversity is very, very important. This entails recognizing, valuing, and leveraging differences in employees' backgrounds, skills, and perspectives to enhance organizational effectiveness. It includes fostering an inclusive environment where diverse individuals can thrive. Effective diversity management improves innovation, adaptability, and team performance, according to Cox and Blakey, 1991. Another key concept in management is the motivation of employees. Motivation refers to the psychological processes that stimulate individuals to take action towards achieving personal or organization goals. The key theories include Maslow's hierarchy of needs. This theory proposes that humans are motivated by hierarchy of needs. Mostly basic needs include the physiological needs, the safety, love and belonging, esteem, and self-actualization. Another theory is the Hesberg's two-factor theory, and these two factors were suggested by Hesberg, and he suggests a separate set of factors which causes dissatisfaction. This field divides motivation forces into hygiene factors, those which prevent the dissatisfaction, do not motivate, and motivators, which motivate individuals towards higher performance. Another theory is the Mark Leonard's needs theory, which focuses on three needs, that is, achievement, affiliation, and power. Depending on their dominant need, individuals are motivated by a desire to excel, form social relationships, or control others. Another theory is the Adafas ERG theory. ERG here is a modification of Maslow's theory, and the three letters represent different categories of needs, such as E for existence, R relatedness, and G for growth. This theory suggests that individuals can be motivated by needs at more than one level simultaneously. The other theories include the Bloom's expectance theory, which suggests that individuals are motivated to engage in behaviors depending on the expected outcomes of such behaviors. We also have the Adams equity theory, which points that fairness motivates individuals. If workers perceive an inequity in their input-output ratio compared to others, they will be motivated to restore equity. Another theory is the goal-setting theory, which was proposed by Rock. According to this theory, clear and challenging goals enhance employee performance. Therefore, motivation is influenced by the goal's specificity, difficulty, and feedback regarding progress. We also have the reinforcement theory. Based on this theory, behavior is a function of its consequences. Positive and negative reinforcements are used to encourage and discourage behavior. Another important concept in management is the change and innovation. Change involves transition from a current state to a desired future state in response to internal or external factors, whereas innovation refers to the development and implementation of new ideas, processes, or products that improve organizational outcomes. Successful change management requires clear communication, leadership, support, and stakeholder engagement, according to Kota 1996. whereas innovation thrives in environments that encourage creativity, risk-taking, and collaboration. Another important concept is conflict management and negotiation. Conflict management involves addressing disagreements in ways that minimize negative impacts and maximize constructive outcomes. Strategies include avoidance, accommodation, competition, collaboration, and compromise. That's according to Thomas and Gilman, 1974. While negotiation is the process of reaching mutual acceptable agreements through dialogue and compromise. Effective negotiation skills include active listening, empathy, and problem. Another key concept in management is the corporate social responsibility. Corporate social responsibility refers to a company's commitment to operate ethically, contribute to economic development, and improve the quality of life for employees, the local community, and society at large. Corporate social responsibility activities include environmental sustainability, philanthropy, ethical labor practices, and community engagement. It enhances brand reputation, customer loyalty, and long-term profitability. Therefore, a company to succeed, it must put into consideration the corporate social responsibility activities that it can do within its locality, environment, in order to contribute positively to the society around it. Thank you for watching. You can like the video. See you next time.